I'm preparing for a grilled pampano right here. Grilled pampano fish. I put the stuffing with onions, tomato, and garlic, and black pepper. Here, I'm gonna put inside stuffing each pampano inside. I'm in charge for dinner for the second night in our camping.
For the pampano.
For the pampano, and another recipe is gonna be chicken inasal. So it's a marinated chicken. But for now, I'm preparing for the fish.
For the grilled.
I'm stuffing with tomato, garlic powder, black pepper, and we call it this calamansi, or
Citrus.
what do you call it?
Cherry citrus? I don't know.
Citrus.
Something citrus.
So all of this, I have to put the stuffing right here. Each I have to, now I had, after this I have to sprinkle salt, a little bit of salt each fish. Then a garlic powder. Garlic powder and a black pepper. Here. And after that, you have to reverse it to do the same thing. You have to do the same.
Kasi kailangan daw you must be set up or have evidence that
So,
the size being used for pumpkin.
I was step on this one is we're gonna make a charcoal, grilled charcoal, and you have to cook this each side, at least 10 to 15 minutes each side. Do not overcook it, because once you overcook it, the fish will really dry. So 10 to 15 minutes, and once you're done on it, open it, taste it, yummy. So again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share. I'm your host, I'm your occasional comedian. My name is Ricky Baby. Don't forget to subscribe. To make it more flavor, I have to short dance for you. Cooking is my hobby. Cooking is my hobby. Cooking, say enjoy, video and share.